Are you ready to meet the van that redefines versatility and performance? The 2025 Ford Econoline 350 van is back with a modern twist, blending raw power, smart technology, and unmatched practicality. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Econoline 350 is powered by a 7.3-liter V8 gas engine, delivering 430 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. Built for heavy-duty tasks, this van ensures you're never short on power, whether you're towing, hauling, or hitting the open road. Pair that with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and you've got smooth shifting and better fuel efficiency. Perfect for long hauls or stop-and-go city driving. Need more capability? The Econoline 350 offers an impressive towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 4,460 pounds, making it a workhorse for contractors, delivery drivers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. The spacious interior comes with durable materials built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The ergonomic dashboard features Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system with a 10-inch touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ford didn't stop there. With Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, multiple USB ports, and an available 360-degree camera system, the Econoline 350 ensures you're connected and in control at all times. For added convenience, the van offers optional power-sliding doors and customizable storage configurations to suit your needs. The Econoline 350 is a blank canvas for your creativity. Whether you're building out a mobile workspace, camper van, or a cargo hauler, the flexible interior design lets you make it your own. With up to 320 cubic feet of cargo space, there's room for all your gear, tools, or adventure essentials. For fleet owners, Ford offers advanced fleet management tools to help track performance, monitor maintenance, and reduce downtime, giving you peace of mind and better efficiency. The 2025 Ford Econoline 350 van starts at an attractive $42,000, offering exceptional value for its power, practicality, and advanced features. For those looking to customize, fully equipped versions can go up to $60,000, including options like all-wheel drive, premium interior packages, and upgraded towing capabilities. Whether you're looking for a reliable work van or a versatile platform for your next adventure, the Econoline 350 delivers on all fronts. Rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. This is the van that does it all. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments. What would you do with a 2025 Ford Econoline 350?